So I have Hal here. We're going to adjust Hal's spine. Primarily, we're going to do some releases in the middle back. So what happens is some areas of the joints, they get stuck. So normal healthy joints should move like this. They should glide back and forth. Hal has some fixations in his middle back, so we're going to release those. All right, now go through that. So we start with the low back. We're going to do flexion, distraction. And the table does what's called lateral flexions. So we're releasing the fixations in the lumbar spine. We're going to slowly start moving up. So this intersegmental traction is also working the discs, because the discs can get dried up over time if the joints aren't moving. They get blood flow only through motion because there's no veins or arteries going in there. So if you restore motion, then fluid can come in and out of the disc. So with Hal's neck, I'm going to adjust the lower neck, but I'm going to increase the neck curve, which is the natural, what we call the lordosis. So the line drops that way. Tuck your chin, torso. Breathe in, breathe out. There we go. There it is. Nice.
Good job. That was good.